Welcome to English Wizard online video tutorial. In this video, we will discuss the common narrative structure. A narrative, story or tale is any account of a series of related events or experiences. Whether non-fictional such as memoir, biography, news report, documentary, and travelogue, or fictional such as fairy tale, fable, legend, thriller, and novel. Narratives can be presented through a sequence of written or spoken words, still or moving images, or any combination of these. The word derives from the Latin verb narrare, which means to tell. Most forms of narrative fall under main categories: linear narratives, nonlinear narrative, and interactive narrative. The first category is linear narrative. Linear narrative is the most common form of narration, where events are largely portrayed in a chronological order. That is, telling the events in the order in which they occurred. This may contain stylistic or temporal discontinuities such as flashbacks, but which is nevertheless conventionally read or told from the beginning to the end. In contrast to an interactive or hypertext narrative. The second category is nonlinear narrative. Nonlinear narratives, disjointed narrative, or disrupted narrative, is a narrative technique where events are portrayed out of chronological order or in other ways where the narrative does not follow the direct causality pattern. Nonlinear narratives attempt to capture the choppy, fluid, indelible sensation of living, with all its nostalgic and hopeful tendencies. A nonlinear narrative will typically jump around in time. It will take the subject at hand as a whole and put together pieces to tell an overall story. Nonlinear narratives can be used to tell a wider version of the story at hand. For example, a nonlinear narrative will not just tell the chronological story of one romance, but instead tell a story on the theme of romance. A nonlinear narrative can often be used to speak more generally on a theme. Rather than just focusing on the facts of what happened in a story, it will focus on the why and how of that story. The third is interactive narrative. An interactive narrative is one which is composed with a branching structure, where a single starting point may lead to multiple developments and outcomes. Thank you for watching. Click the link on the description for free worksheets, flashcards, and other printable. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more video tutorials.